Hello students, today in live session we start topics close packed structure. Student, what is the means of close packed structure? As we know that in crystal lattice, all constituent particles are strongly held together and arranged in three-dimensional structure. When constituent particles are held together, then no space present between constituent particle. But we can see that in this structure, some part present between solid spheres. This unoccupied space is called as voids or interstitial site. स्टूडेंट क्लोज पैक्ड स्ट्रक्चर्स मीन्स होता है इट इज द स्ट्रक्चर in the crystal lattice solid sphere are very close to each other without minimum gap are called as close packed structure. In this structure, constituent particle is be taken in the form of sphere. Okay, student. This type management is be studied in the following three forms. This type structure arranged in three types form. Okay, student. Close packed structure in one dimension, close packed structure in two dimension, close packed structure in three dimension. Students, in one dimension close packed structure, solid spheres are connected to each other in linear form. It means in this structure, all constituent particles connected to each other and forms this type row. In this structure, middle sphere connected with the two neighboring sphere. Therefore, its coordination number is be 2. Then definition of coordination number is be it is the number of neighboring sphere contact with middle sphere in the crystal lattice called as coordination number. Okay, student. In this arrangement, all spheres are contact to each other and forms linear structure. and coordination number is be only 2. Okay, sir. Now we take two dimensions close packed structure. This type structure forms by one dimension structure. In this structure, spheres of second, third and fourth layer placed above row of first layer, row of first spheres attacking horizontally, stacking horizontally and vertically. Students, in this manner, two type structures are formed, are called as first square closed packing and second hexagonal closed packing. Student, in the square closed packing, spheres of first row in one dimension called as a row. Okay, student, and spheres of second, third and fourth row is be just placed above the spheres of a row. These spheres of second, third and fourth row are aligned together with the first row, similar horizontal and vertical. It means spheres of second row placed just above the spheres of a row. Student, spheres of second row is called capital A row. Spheres of third row is called as capital A row, and spheres of fourth row is called as capital A. In this structure, middle sphere contact with another four sphere. When center of all four sphere connected to each other, then it forms a square geometry. Therefore, it is called a square closed packing structure. Now, coordination number in this structure is be 4. It means middle sphere is connected with another fourth sphere. Therefore, coordination number is be 4. Okay, student. And pattern of this type structure is called as triple A pattern. Now, a square closed packing is forms layer. Now, square closed packing is called as layer. Okay. Same as in hexagonal closed packing, spheres of first row is called as capital A row, but spheres of second row placed depression in first row. Depression means in this here, in this form. Okay, student. Now it is different from first row, therefore it is called as B row. And spheres of third row aligned horizontally and vertically with the first row. Okay, student. Student, this row is called as A row. In this arrangement, middle sphere connected to another 6 sphere, and when center joined of 6 sphere, then it forms a hexagonal geometry. Hexagonal geometry, and it is called as hexagonal close packing HCP. And the coordination number of this structure is be 6, and pattern is called as AB AB pattern. Okay, students. Now this is hexagonal layer. It means in two dimension close packed structure, two types layer forms. First layer is called as square close packing layer, and second layer is be called as hexagonal close packed layer. Now we forms three dimension close packed layer. Okay, students. This structure is be studied in separate. Okay, student. Three dimension close packed structure. Student, it is a real or actual structures of crystal lattice because these structures are formed by two dimension layers. When two dimension layer is be taken in the form of square closed packed layer, then structure is be forms as a simple cubic lattice. Student, three dimension closed packed layer is be forms by square closed closed packed layers. It means three dimension closed packed layer forms by square closed packed layer. Students, in this arrangement, one first layer of first layer, square close packed layer. Just above place the sphere of second, third, fourth layer. Then structure is formed as simple cubic lattice. Simple cubic lattice. Student, it can be explained by four register. Suppose one register one register is a square close packed layer. Same as another three register placed above this. Then structure is formed as cube, and this structure is called as simple cubic lattice. Student, in this form. इन दिस फॉर्म, इसमें आप फोर रजिस्टर प्लेस कर दीजिए, 1 2 3, ये फाइनलाइज फोर रजिस्टर जब आप प्लेस कर देंगे तो जो स्ट्रक्चर्स बनेगी उसका नाम क्या होगा, सिंपल क्यूबिक लैटिस। बच्चों, इस स्ट्रक्चर में कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 6 होगा। कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर क्या होगा, 6 होगा। कैसे होगा 6? 2 स्फीयर अबव कनेक्ट रहेंगे, 2 स्फीयर बिलो कनेक्ट रहेंगे और 1 स्फीयर साइड में कनेक्ट रहेंगे। क्योंकि 3D इमेज है बच्चों, तो इसमें कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर को एक्चुअल शो करने के लिए मैंने आपको एक वीडियो सेंड कर रखा है। आप उस वीडियो को देखें, उसमें आपको क्लियर नजर आ जाएगा कि कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर इसका कितना होगा। ओके स्टूडेंट, एंड नाउ 3 डायमेंशन close packed structure forms by hexagonal close packed layer. Student, it is a very important structures and it is a difficult for explanation because in this structure spheres are arranged in different manners. Therefore, it is very important. Therefore, attention please all students. Students, in this structure, our basic layer or fundamental layer is be taken in the form of hexagonal close packed layer. Okay, student? Okay, student. Students, it is a first layer. Suppose करें A type layer, first layer A layer. In this structure, triangular voids are forms. One inferior triangular voids, why inferior? Because its head got a downward direction, and this voids is called as superior triangular voids. Okay students, in 2 dimension hexagonal close packed have triangular voids. Now placed now placed spheres of second layer. Okay, student. Uh, this one spheres of second layer, but it is not a vertically and horizontally aligned with the spheres of first layer. When spheres of second layer covered voids, triangular voids, then this type voids is called as tetrahedral voids. Tetrahedral voids, because this space is covered by four spheres. It means it is the space between four solid spheres. In this form, this one triangular voids, but when fourth sphere placed above the triangular voids, then this voids is called as tetrahedral voids. It denoted by capital T. Okay, student. This one triangular voids and this one triangular voids. But when spheres of second layer placed in this form, then voids forms between six sphere is called as octahedral voids. Student, in this form, three spheres are connected to each other, and another three spheres are connected to each other. In this form, then the space between all six spheres is called as octahedral voids. But number of octahedral voids is be just half to the tetrahedral voids. When two tetrahedral voids forms, this one tetrahedral voids and this one tetrahedral voids, but number of octahedral voids is be just half of tetrahedral voids. Suppose complete crystal is formed by complete crystal is formed by n spheres, then octahedral voids is be n, but tetrahedral voids is be formed by just double to n. Okay, students. Students, in second layer, two types of voids are formed. Two types of voids are formed. First, octahedral voids, and second, tetrahedral voids. Now, students, spheres of third layer covered first of all tetrahedral voids. Spheres of third layer. Okay, student, but we cannot explain it in 2D board. Therefore, just imagine spheres of third layer. Spheres of third layer covered tetrahedral voids. Then structure is forms hexagonal close packing. When spheres of third layer covered tetrahedral voids, then structure is called as hexagonal close packed in 3 dimension, and coordination number is be 12, and packing efficiency is be 74%, and this pattern is called as ABAB pattern. Suppose spheres of first layer present in this form. Because this one hexagonal close packed structure, this one hexagonal close packed structure, A layer, and spheres of second layer like that in this form. ये B layer, and spheres of third layer. Spheres of third layer, it will be hexagonal. It means in this form present. Okay. Now spheres of third layer is called as A layer, and this is called AB pattern. This structure is related to similar in this form. First layer A layer, and this one B layer, and this one A layer. First, second, and third layer. In this structure, middle sphere attached with above 6 sphere and below 6 sphere. Therefore, coordination number is be 12. This structure only forms in the conditions of when tetrahedral voids covered by spheres of third layer. But students, spheres of third layer covered only octahedral voids. Octahedral voids. Then geometry will be formed as cubic close packing. Cubic close packing structure CCP. And the coordination number is be 12, and packing efficiency is be 74%, and example of this category is be copper AgA in CCP structure. Okay, student? It means when octahedral covers, then first layer is be same A layer, second layer is be B layer, but third layer, spheres of third layer is be just opposite in this form, like that. Then it is a just opposite of B layer, therefore it is called C layer. Therefore it is called as C layer, and pattern is called as ABC pattern. Okay, student, this one called as ABC pattern. In this condition, in which condition? When three spheres of 3 dimensions third layer, spheres of third layer covered octahedral voids. Then students, when spheres of third layer arranged in this form, then it is called C layer. Then pattern is called ABC pattern. But coordination number is the same because 6 sphere above and 6 sphere below. Coordination number is not be changed in both conditions. But this structure is called as CCP, cubic closed packing. Okay, students, it is the overall 3-dimension closed packed structure. Okay, students, thank you.